Many people choose a 30 kilowatts laser cutting machine just because it can cut thicker steel. But in real production, thickness is not the most important factor. In this video, I'll show you how to choose a 30 kilowatts laser cutter the right way based on real cutting experience. However, you should balance the following points. 1. Clearly define the type of sheet material you'll be cutting. A 30 kilowatts laser's advantage lies in cutting thicknesses between 30 mm and 50 mm. If your cutting thickness exceeds 30 mm over 60% and efficiency is paramount for thicknesses below 30 mm, then a 30 kilowatts laser is the most suitable. 2. Cutting capacity isn't just about how thick the material can be cut, but also about the stability of the cut. If you plan to cut thicknesses over 70 mm, I recommend choosing a flame laser composite cutter. A 30 kilowatts laser is advertised to have a maximum thickness of 100 mm, but its stable processing parameters are only 60 mm. Thicknesses beyond that are for professional laser cutters. 3. Choosing the right machine isn't about the brand. The four main components of a laser cutter, the machine bed, laser, water chiller, and cutting head, are more important than the brand. Pay close attention to the machine bed's dynamic performance, motor parameters, and weight for 30 kilowatts laser heads and lasers from Chinese brands. Choose Baishu and Max or Raycut. 4. Process support determines your ability to effectively utilize a 30 kilowatts laser. As a high-power machine, accurate debugging and stable operation are your primary concerns. You need to ascertain whether there are engineers providing support and whether they have relevant experience. 5. If these factors meet your needs, you also need to consider your local power conditions. A 30 kilowatts laser draws approximately 130 ADQ. Auxiliary gas pipelines require oxygen pressure no less than 5 bar and nitrogen pressure no less than 10 bar. 7. Calculate the total cost, not just the equipment price. Correct calculation method. How much will cutting efficiency be improved? Will labor costs be reduced? What are the changes in gas and electricity costs? Downtime risk and costs.